peace, ain't no love in these streets, cause these niggas be faking. I don't do debating. The chopper start shooting, the grind get the shaking. Go fire, I'ma cook 'em, ain't making no bacon. With slide on your street, now your houses are vacant. My killer so anxious, told him be patient. Well, done no work, now we out on vacation. Put him underground like he stay in the basement. For blunts in the tweets, number one is my place. I try and stay still, but my mind steady racing. I'm really a savage, my first name is Jason. What's up, YouTube? We back, another video on this motherfucker today. We going to test drive a RT. It's raining outside, so y'all see we ain't working. So man,
we off today. You know what I'm saying? We got Zay in the cut back there type shit. We chilling. You know what I'm saying?
Just a wild day. We gonna be taking y'all with us today.
Wherever the road takes us. All right, what's up, YouTube? We back. Made it to the place. You know what I'm saying? About to go look for the car. See what they got.
Finna test ride this one. Hopefully they take this.
Oh yeah, Zay. We in this motherfucker. We gonna update y'all when we get in the car.
All black cloth interior.
Oh yeah. What you feeling, gang? First sit in. What you feeling? Okay. Start it.
Hold on. Gotta pop it. I just wanna see.
You see the hammy. You see the hammy. That's that 5.7 right there. Let me get a hood. Hood. Show them the. Ugh. Quite spacious. Shoot.
I'm saying, hey.
Shh.
I like it.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah.
These seats come down. Oh yeah, these come down too. Okay.
Speakers fit right in.
How I pop the trunk?
RTZ.
Bruh.
Whoa.
And I can take it for a test drive.
Yeah, you got I got your license ready. You got full coverage insurance?
Damn.
Can I see a copy of your insurance card?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. All right. That's Big J in that motherfucker. Put on your hazards. Let me check the back. I'm gonna check the back. Do it again. Damn, this motherfucker sound good, nigga. Shit. That motherfucker a little warmed up now.
I'm worried about this.
Yeah, that's what I was just peeping right there.
Coming up right here. I mean, that ain't shit to fix, but you know,
saying,
I can
look,
get them to
get a little money out type shit. You peep your gas tank button?
Yeah, I peeped
That motherfucker hella discreet. All right,
I said, you sit in the front.
Tell us that sit in the back, nigga. What? Damn, this pit. Damn, this motherfucker.
Yeah, I'm finna leave it there. Hold on.
Pull up.
Pull up on wait on that thing. Damn, this motherfucker sound good as hell.
Good as hell, nigga.
He really just left niggas out here. Hey, nigga, the steering wheel feel good and everything on this bitch. What?
Where he at?
He right there. He coming behind him.
Oh, we putting his ass in the back for real.
stop sign over there.
Mm-hmm.
I see them.
Buddy in the
Yeah, I
vault.
got no idea.
Where are we going?
We right here?
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Okay. So it's in the east side.
Clifton Heights. I'm already doing.
Hey, if it was mine, I would right there. I ain't got nothing.
I'm already knowing. I seen the face.
Yeah, you know what?
You feel like you can see yourself in here even without the sunroof?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, that's something you just have to deal with.
Yeah.
Tight. I feel it.
Gotta start somewhere.
You got to.
I want a Hellcat anyway.
Yeah. Them got sunroofs.
Take off for no problem. It's like, okay. Definitely. And it's smooth. Like that.
We're gonna get off of Kings Highway here.
It's It's just, and then like them rattling sounds when we coming to a stop. That too. That's what I'm hearing.
Test driving.
Hey,
Say what's up to the vlog, man. She being
I really got a new phone. So
she
you
being
gotta-
federal game.
Indeed.
Zay, you're we in that.
It's 761 something. Oh man.
Yeah. You see that?
You see what we in?
You see, I'm saying you see the mobile.
Yeah, you got the wrong one.
I
I'm
saw-
gonna text you though after this.
I'll send it to you again. Yeah. Back to the dealership now.
Slide and bring
What?
it. Yeah, hang up on her. Yeah,
It's
we
time
gotta
to
call,
go.
We gotta call you back after that.
What? It's
Yeah.
time to go.
Kings always got too many titles.
HIV crazy.
You definitely gotta tell me when we coming up on the lot too, cause I think I remember
Yep, we're gonna go through a couple more lights and I'll do that.
that. Okay. Now, how long have y'all had this one?
We've had this one a little while, but
Okay.
it takes forever to get through service.
And I'll be able to look, because she said on the phone that I'll be able to look at the other two. Well, not the SXT, just the other RT you guys had. She said I'll be able to look at, just not drive it today.
RT on RT Crown.
I'm saying. I was liking the body on that one more. That's why I had inquired about that one. I just didn't know it wasn't the service.
Make a left up here. Yep, just make it right back in here. Then you put it back where we had it.
Q5's nice. This one the better one, but oh yeah. Hey.
That was spacious.
Yeah. What you think?
Yeah, I'm like it. It's just like how the grind is, real that's about it. So like everything else is good.
Good deal. Let's go inside, see what he did in this one.
All right, we in the difference. The RT. It's the first one. You know what I'm saying? It's the hood. Then we got the hood. The 5.7. Yeah, I like the bumper better on that one. This one still look like a V6. This one got a little oomph to it.
Yeah, I could do an application to see what they come up with.
For sure, and like I told you earlier, dude, if you're planning on buying a car in the next month anyway, then it's only gonna get hit once. As long as you buy something though in the next month.
So even if I don't go around, like say I don't buy that thing,
You'll probably understand it to a place too. Finance guy knows.
Another little, yeah. It's a little dirty, got some things, but you know what I'm saying? It's going to service.
and then when I get it,
Yeah, Miss Missy right there. Yeah.
See all what we're doing to it. A lot of body stuff from it. Tires pass, so those will probably stay, but whatever it needs to be done to it, we're gonna clean it up. Sounds good.
Oh, yeah.
all right, Tutu. So we done looked at the cars, but they over there. You see both of them. That the other model, I wasn't really rocking with it because you know it was riding a little rough. St. Louis streets are the roughest, but hold on, y'all can help me. Hold on, Jaden, you might as well hold this again. But yeah, y'all can as y'all can see, I had to tell them to send it off to service because you know I'm not gonna send my credit out to get hit when I can't even test drive the car yet. You know what I'm saying? To get an actual look on it.
Awesome.
So we gonna keep in contact with him on it so I can see, cause I do want to test drive that car to see. But that other one, I ain't gonna lie. If I was desperate, I'd get that motherfucker, but I ain't desperate for no car right now. Hey, this bump is the biggest. But yeah, it was a good little test drive though. I was liking it other than that. It needed a wheel alignment bad. I'm talking about, y'all could probably see in the video, the steering wheel cocked like a pistol in that bitch. I ain't gonna lie. So, yeah, that 19, hopefully they get that motherfucker done pretty fast, because I am serious about buying that motherfucker. I hope they know that. So, yeah, we gonna get, damn, I do got the AC on. But yeah, we gonna get back with y'all later on, see what we doing. Catch y'all later.
Yep.
He don't want that work. He don't want that work.
Hey, right there. Oh, he coming up. Oh yeah, he bind us now. Get on the side.
No, we gotta. I don't think he want that smoke for real. I know the Maximus got more than that. What the fuck?
No, I don't think he wanted.
He don't want that smoke. I just seen them, you know, YouTube, he like hopped over too fast. You know, I took that as an insult type stuff. I was chilling. I've been cruising the whole way out here, a little 40-minute drive. Had to tee up that last little second time.
Yeah, he caught back though.
Oh man, I had to get in and out the lanes right quick. Show him who the wheel man is. But I'm back to chilling. That was just a little, we find any action, we'll update y'all, but shit. These motherfuckers ain't no shit out here. All right, YouTube, we done stopped at Quick Trip. This just a little side quest, bro. I'm talking about, show them your oops, bro.
Damn, they got a.
They really.
I swear they scammed me on this one, bro.
Oh, me. And then look, who the fuck kicked my crust in, bro?
Difference.
Where my shit?
See, I wish I got that.
Is it Uber right? Oh, God, bro. Hey, the Quick Trip on Lusher, bro. Motherfuckers gotta get to working. Oh, girl passed me my motherfucking shake. I thought my shit came with whipped cream. They gave me a flat top on this motherfucker. Like, I ain't gonna lie.
Shit crazy.
They gotta do better. We should have stopped at the one where the white people at. They would have had all the slushies and everything. But all right, YouTube, we gonna hit y'all up later. Goddamn me. They went smooth though, the car ride, everything. Y'all fucking with like the little car shit type shit. Oh God, like the POV drives and we damn near got that one.
And then when we start working on the car in the garage,
Shit, we got another
that's
video.
way more
Oh
content.
God, hey,
Shit,
we here though,
that
YouTube.
motherfucker out. We got another video test driving. Shit.
Oh, hey,
Another one. Goddamn.
2019.
I'm saying.
That was the
So
sick
shit.
thing, goddamn.
So, shit.
We'll hit y'all up, YouTube. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hit y'all next time.
To succeed, yeah, they gangbang where I'm from. It's a crib that's on my sleeve. So RP to score, I wish you never had to leave. That's why I'm always on that bullshit, but niggas ain't no G.